SciTube is an initiative to make learning psychology interesting, exciting, and easier. SciTube promotes learning psychology through the relevant original experiments that resulted in the theories. The videos also sensitize the learners about the relevance of the theories in contemporary times. Concept: Information Processing Models. Experimental setup: Tower of Hanoi and Information Processing. The Tower of Hanoi problem-solving experiments were conducted by Herbert A, Simon and Allen Newell during the 1950s-1960s, with key publications appearing around 1958 to 1972. These studies emerged during the rise of cognitive psychology, which viewed the mind as an information processing system similar to a computer. The purpose of the experiment was to understand how humans think, plan, and solve complex problems step by step. Simon and Newell aimed to uncover the mental processes underlying problem solving, such as goal formation, memory use, and strategy selection. Their motive was to move beyond behaviorist explanations and scientifically model internal cognitive processes, contributing to both psychology and early artificial intelligence research. Action in the experiment. Participants were asked to solve the Tower of Hanoi puzzle, which consists of 3 pegs, several discs of different sizes. The task required moving all discs from one peg to another while following strict rules. Only one disc can be moved at a time. A larger disc cannot be placed on a smaller one. Participants were asked to think aloud while solving the problem. Researchers recorded their verbalizations, decision steps, errors, and time taken. Simon and Newell also programmed computer models, such as the General Problem Solver, GPS, to replicate human problem-solving behavior. Prime observations and conclusions. Key observations included: problem-solving proceeds in small, logical steps. Individuals rely on working memory and stored rules. People use means-end analysis, constantly comparing the current state with the goal state. Core conclusions. Human problem-solving is a rule-based, information processing activity, not random or purely trial and error. The same logical processes guiding human thinking could be simulated by machines. This confirmed that cognition involves representation, planning, and systematic processing of information. Inferences and contemporary relevance. The Tower of Hanoi experiments remain highly relevant today. Cognitive psychology, foundation for modern problem-solving research. Artificial intelligence, basis for algorithmic thinking and search strategies. Education, understanding how learners plan and overcome obstacles. Neuroscience, used to study executive functions and working memory. Core insight. Thinking is a structured process of information processing. Simon and Newell's work transformed psychology by making mental processes measurable, modelable, and testable, firmly establishing the information processing approach that continues to shape cognitive science today. If you think the video made learning psychology easier, like, comment, share, and subscribe.